Imagine getting paid to listen to music. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how you can do that, step by step. You can make about $7 per song, $14 for 2 songs, and so on. Right now, I have around $600 in my account balance, and I'll show you exactly how I got there. Let's get started. Now, a quick heads up before we dive in. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You won't make tons of money overnight, and it takes time to build up earnings. However, if you're looking to make some extra money while listening to music, this method can definitely help. Let's break it down. Step 1. Setting up a payment method. First things first. To get paid, you need to set up a payment method. You can choose from several platforms like PayPal, Payeer, WebMoney, or even cryptocurrency options like Bitcoin and Ethereum. For example, if you choose PayPal, go to paypal.com and create an account. The minimum payout is just $1, so you don't need a big balance to withdraw your money. Step 2. Finding music on Pixabay. Next, go to pixabay.com/music. This website offers copyright-free music in all genres, like electronic, hip-hop, and classical. You can download and re-upload these tracks without worrying about copyright issues. For each song you listen to, you can potentially earn around $7. So, go ahead, explore different genres, and download at least 15-20 songs to maximize your earnings. Step 3. Uploading music to earn. Once you've downloaded the music, the next step is to upload these files to a platform that pays you. Go to app.forever.org, a free file-sharing site where you can get paid whenever someone downloads the files you upload. Here's how it works. When people download your songs, they'll see ads, and you get a cut of the ad revenue. You get paid based on the number of downloads. For example, downloads from high-tier countries can pay up to $7 per $1,000 downloads. Step 4. Uploading files and making money. After signing up for an account on app.forever.org, log in and click on Upload Files. Select the music files you downloaded from Pixabay and upload them. Make sure to set them as public so others can easily find and download your songs. Once your files are uploaded, share the download links. The more people who download your music, the more money you make. And once you reach the minimum payout, you can withdraw your earnings straight to your chosen payment method. From my account balance, I've made about $600 so far using this platform. It may take some time, but getting paid for listening to music is definitely a fun way to make some extra cash. If you're consistent, the earnings can add up over time. And that's it. You can get started right now by following these steps. It's not going to make you rich, but if you're looking for a simple, enjoyable way to make some money in your spare time, this method is perfect. Feel free to drop a like, and if you want to explore more ways to make money online, check out more videos on our PlusCoin channel. Happy earning!
Join now. Watch and earn up to 5 million tokens every day on Telegram at @PlusCo_in.